The university has been working for a really long time on the sustainability of our campuses. What we wanted to do with the Roseworthy Solar Farm was to scale up the technology and to make a big dent in our carbon emissions. When we were in the planning phase of the project, we found out that the state government was launching the Renewable Technology Fund. So the grant that we received was $780,000. This fund was designed to support businesses like ours that were interested in using renewable energy significantly to power their sites.
This project consists of four main components. The 1.2 megawatts of solar PV array. We also upgraded the size of our internal network from low voltage to high voltage to support the system. And then we also added a hybrid battery storage solution, which consists of a lithium-ion system and a vanadium flow battery. Combined capacity is around 420 kilowatts by about 1200 kilowatt hours. So that takes it for just under 3 hours of storage.
What makes it unique is it's the first of its kind in South Australia that we know of. Our inverters are only just being certified to Australian standards, so there's a lot of new technology involved there. We're using a microgrid, which is basically the brains of the whole setup between the HV network, solar and the batteries, so they can virtually talk to each other.
The innovative component of what we have here at Roseworthy is the ability to combine a renewable source with conventional grid supply of electricity, and that will be, I think, very fertile ground for future experimentation and trial work by the electrical engineers in particular, and can act as a model for the most effective use of power for a community of this size.
Once we have finalized and commissioned it, it'll be one of the first of its kind in terms of scale, flexibility, as well as demonstration that allow us to show our leadership in the space of energy management, as well as embedded energy transition towards zero carbon.
The Roseworthy Solar Farm is not just a project that delivers 42% of the Roseworthy energy load and helps us reduce our carbon emissions. This project is really the embodiment of the living laboratory concept. This is where we bring together our researchers, our campus community and the infrastructure branch to deliver a project on our campus that supports all of us.